Hey, online learners and families, I just wanted to jump on here real quick and show you a little bit of how to navigate through our Google Classroom slides. So to start with, you're going to go to the waffle and click on Google Classroom. You maybe already know how to do this from some of your other teachers, but just in case I wanted to show you. So there you'll see your classrooms. I'm going to mine. So I'm Mrs. Smith. If you click on that one and I'll show you, mine's a little bit different. So I wanted to show you how to turn in an assignment when you've done it. So on my Google Classroom page, you will see two things. Here's an app that works great on your phone. It looks just like an app. The directions are here to download it. It's not a real app, but it looks just like one, and it's a really quick way to contact me. It has an Ask Mrs. Smith button, and it is a handy way. It might not be how you want to do your assignments, but it's a really good way to just kind of browse through your assignments and take a look at what's going on. Your parents might want to put it on their phone. It has a very easy contact me button. That's one thing you might want to do. And then down below it, we have my Bitmoji classroom. That's really where I want you to go every day. Google Classroom will show you assignments, but it won't show you like the videos that went with the assignments. I'm using the Bitmoji classroom. So every time you get on my Google Classroom, I want you to go down here. That will take you where I have all the assignments linked in my Bitmoji classroom. And you can use your space bar to get through the animation at the beginning. There's my bunny.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Smith, and welcome to our virtual classroom. Look around and you'll find a video about me on the chalkboard and some other fun things you can click on too. The calendar over there on the window, that'll take you to the day's assignment. Click on the day of the week, and that'll take you to the assignments for that day. So take your time, look around, see what you find.
So this is the main page. There's an Ask Mrs. Smith button in case you want to email me. It's just kind of a quick way to get a hold of me. There's some games. A lot of these things, if you see this hand, that means it's a clickable, and you can kind of click around, see what's there. Some of them are games to play. Some of it's just fun information. And then for your assignments, that's where this calendar comes in. So today was Monday. You can click on Monday. And then also some other clickables for when you get done with your work. You can always come back to these later. If you get bored or finished with your work, you can always come here and find some other fun clickable things to do. Your assignments are going to be either on the day's change, on a chalkboard or a dry erase board, something that'll say, let's go, let's do this, let's get started. That's where your assignments are. So this one says, let's get started right here. Click on that.
Happy Monday. Today our focus is getting to know those Chromebooks, and we're going to take our math pre-test.
And if you click on the page somewhere where there's an arrow instead of a hand, if there's a hand, it's going to take you someplace else. If you just want to go to the next slide, like I want to right now, then you just click on the slide. It'll take you to the next one. So today's lesson is about Chromebooks and pre-tests. That's all there is to do, and no assignments there. So I'm going to go to the next slide. And then for today, we had two assignments. One is here, one is here. I'm going to take, there are actually three assignments. Let me show you this. There's one more slide after this. And this is actually right here, another assignment you can do. But I want to go back and show you what it looks like when you click on an assignment. So in my Bitmoji classroom, when you click on an assignment, because this can get a little tricky when it comes to turning it in. Click on the assignment. It'll take you to the Google Classroom assignment, and it'll open it up for you. So we're doing this, and mine's already done because I did it today. So this was today's assignment. Over here were the directions of just things to practice, working with Google Slides. But when you're done, here's the thing that's a little tricky with the Bitmoji Classroom. Really, it is taking you out of Google Classroom, and that's why up here it says share. It should say turn in. So when you say share, when you see share here, it just means you're in the Bitmoji classroom. You need to go back to Google Classroom. You don't want to do anything with the share button. That just means you're in the wrong place. To go back so you can turn it in, that's what you're looking for, like turn in. So up at the top, you'll have to go back to your Google Classroom tab. You can tell your Google Classroom tabs because they have the green box with the person in it. So I want the tab that looks like Google Classroom, has the green box, and sounds like the assignment I was working on. So right here it says about me. That's where I want to go back to. Yours, I have a little different view since I'm a teacher. Yours, when you go back and do that, it'll say turn in over here and you turn it in. So when you do an assignment from the Bitmoji classroom, you want to make sure to turn it in. If you can't find turn it in, then email me or ask me and we'll figure it out. But you're looking for somewhere where you can turn it in. And I think that's it. I think those are some of the only issues that came up today. So I just thought I'd send those out. Maybe it'll help you out. And we'll talk again soon. See you later. Let me know if you have any other questions. You can always shoot me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.